an entrepreneur has got to be the most incredible journey that I've ever been on. I love my life. It's fantastic. Hi everybody, my name is Rivers Corbett and I've been an entrepreneur for over 18 years. And like I said, what an incredible journey it has been. And one of the things that I want to do is I want to give people the opportunity to go on the journey that I've been on. For those people that want to go on the journey, this isn't about, be an entrepreneur because I want to be an entrepreneur or I'm an entrepreneur. This is about helping people understand what the journey of being an entrepreneur is before they get started so they can increase their potential for success. And one of the ways I do that is I wrote a book a while ago. It's called 13 Fears of Entrepreneurs. 13, they added that number. And why I did it is because there's a lot of fears because of unknowns associated with what's it like to be an entrepreneur? What are some of the challenges that I'm going to face? And I found that if people understood the basics of the fears and how to overcome them, then their willingness to at least explore, if not get in the game of entrepreneurship, significantly increases. So what I want to do is I want to now go through what the 13 fears of entrepreneurs are, and with each one of them there's a little nugget of knowledge, inspiration, connection, whatever you want to call it, that you're going to go, holy cow, is that ever cool? Yeah, I get that now. Oh my gosh, that's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. And when you come out at the end of this series and there's 13 fears, then you're going to have a significant foundation in your life that most startup entrepreneurs never get until they're about 5 years into the journey. This is all about your success. This is all about me helping you get that success. Get ready for the journey. Here comes the 13 fears of entrepreneurs. Let's get at it. Okay, here we go again. Entrepreneur fear number 11 this time. You know, this fear goes kind of like this. Can I do this? Am I good enough? Well, you know what? The mom answer, the dad answer, the Nana Sue answer is, of course, honey, you're good enough. You're good enough. You can do this. I promise you that you can do this. And it's true to an extent, but the true correct answer is that you can't do it. Because business is a team sport. You cannot do this alone. And where I see a lot of entrepreneurs fail is they try to do everything. I mean everything in their business for all kinds of silly reasons. Getting back to fear number 12, follow your passion, but do what you're good at too when you're following your passion. You're good enough to do it if you surround yourself with the right team. I love to use this comparison. The championship goalie of a hockey team rarely scores the goals. He rarely scores the goals, or she scores the goals. But the point is they're a critical part of the team. That's what makes a championship team. That's what makes a championship business. Business is a team sport. So no, you can't do it. But you can do it with a great team, a great connection with people who are all working towards the same goal, who all have complementary skills. Really critical. That's entrepreneur fear number 11. Can you do it? Are you ready for it? You are if you got a great team for you working with you.